ya mo bi be me atias ye dey course on the various forefront when it comes to European transfer window. First of all, ya be sha ase e dey free England ye ni nkomo e o Manchester United kakra bi abudi abi. O check Eric Ten Hag dia ne summer plans or Manchester United ne say obetimenya one goalkeeper, obenya one centre back, obenya two midfielders and then a striker. So mutimi tunton bia na say bi escape timi be chire de ne general obi Roma no Roma kwakope winger for na ba be yedai aba be kan wo na eno na abudi abi goalkeeper mo hwehwe na ni Musa nkombetimi anya omamo be si aka Manchester United no ba ko Diego Costa de tosu mienu David Raya mele e wa ha say then omo ma third cover a ono ni academy player ono no omunto na o check dia o ma scout Diego Costa so many times but the 65 million euros na dan so no any release clause no ana Manchester United ehwe omo budget din no mo ka so mo dia tum so metima ko ni mo akodi nkomo a arrentimi fa iti Diego Costa ankasa de Manchester United ne nhye nkomodi dia ase bia so mpese omo fa ne de ne ba nipa omo ne na di nkomo David Raya mele de omo se omo ni nyine ho sesei onko no kopie mu o championship no go si akama league ni mu mia no be ba no asaba. But David Ryan and Manchester United no matter say dim komodi. On the Manchester United in terms of personal terms, there's not going to be any problem for David Raya to come to Manchester United. The biggest issue here is say I can't 1 year I want the contract so Brentford at the 40 million pounds and atono so. I'm with the 40 million pounds and atono so. Manchester Susu jina 25 and 30. Samojia yaba be fa Brantford na manakwa kusi aka mai ama David Raya and representatives no omo wram e Brentford ene omo di nkomo denden say mo a Brantford na makwa fa different goalkeeper na ba so mbede mu mfama mo di enti na munya na man nko so akwa problem bia ba his replacement is already there
omo the
replacement aba but omo pay 40 million pounds which Manchester United is not ready to pay that particular amount. It for goalkeeper there as it stands Manchester United will have to halt it and make sure they deal with other players.
Backup
David Raya as a competitor for David here in the number 1 spot. Utie Eric Ten Hag after the FA Cup now. Also on to me assure David here next season on the bed the number 1 for Manchester United. And I see a football no evolve. You need goalkeepers are not only good with their hands but with their feet. On betimi aboama team so etimi start attack, etimi control possession. So he is there.
Now the Henderson way.
The Henderson asama yekan. The Henderson aka clear bi na Manchester United and Nottingham Forest agreed you.
Oh okay.
Manchester United returned Dean Henderson the man Nottingham Forest. As it stands. And the Henderson is out of the contest for coming back to Manchester United because and some obe free one back on okodi nkomo bi koye interview bi.
Yes.
Eyi semi prepare for Manchester United and you know this club. Omo nyoma ye but ubeti omo to abonte omo mfa won chew. Omo nyoma ye baba bonte na beti omo to a omo mfa won chew. The Henderson there as me no ka say the Abuja bi. E be 75% dance over kopie mu Nottingham Forest officially permanently. Na oni omo timi adi juma. Center back na Manchester United and Min-jae Abrante fe Kim Min-jae. Look about be story say Manchester United be activating the clause after so akọ military service ni na ba. All the noise coming from the camp and I say about Kim Min-jae ni free the camp of Naples and if free Napoli side whatever. But from England there have not been any vivid communication or something about Kim Min-jae so we pay Manchester United. But abu ye kodi di ye nkomo ayesu ebowura mu ne central for bi di nkomo wura mu o ye club links e wo mu no abu dabi Kim Min-jae na nkasa no ne nje ho so ba be si akanja ma Manchester United are ready so mama no 6 to 7 million euros a year so me si akama Manchester United o mane je ho per the global appeal what Kim Min-jae brings to the table. Manchester United and signing Kim Min-jae only say or a quality right centre back or probably a pesi in shape of a papa friend Eric Ten Hag and I say Eric Ten Hag or probably a pesi kakra Varane or hodie ba Varane injury situation in hard drink kakra Tonya Kim Min-jae man be show no me betimi aboa but Manchester United and Kim Min-jae personal terms there is no problem ade mo person mo ya na say Kim Min-jae enko ni military service ne bra ne clause na won the contract mu so betimi sign for 60 million euros no between 1st July to 15th July or starting the military service so from this June up to the first week of July. It Manchester United they train sa Branty and Comra no na personal terms ne sa no money na no matimi delay no betima ba be si akan no ba be si akan dia momo se Napoli prove stubborn no extending the contract Manchester United and near Bresson betimi asako back to Julian Timber in the FA Cup final. Julian Timber was in England or the game ni be there but after the game there have already been conversations between on the Manchester United and the agency and Otna Ayas for 1 year no with Ayas reassurance say the following season will be the contract and will be the scapapa bi ba on be jana mana day. Amana continue Timber is still in the pipeline for Manchester United for the right centre back role. I'll bet me as a right back. But priority remains with Min-jae. Personal terms there, Abu Dhabi any problem for Manchester United. Obi e come Messi Mount to Manchester United. Abu e no kwanu kro wom ni Messi Mount ni Manchester United do medie ansase ne na enye no na mo hyase. Just after Manchester United and Chelsea game no on the 25th of May. And Manchester United and Chelsea tina se hyase didi nkomo about a player for Messi Mount. Now omo didi nkomo ne ko akire ni na Chelsea dey omo tina bia 70 80. That is what the media is pushing out there. But realistically Manchester United and Chelsea come on with the one so as na yes ye dey asokote obi no. Between 50 to 55 million pounds with add-ons.
Oh, okay.
And through 70 no, the 70 year from PR jobs from the club side Messi ma omo person baby bia me hu se boy no cry won ati koso onye dey onko. But in reality Pochettino is saying he likes the boy, but under Ankasana, what Pochettino and Uncle for Pochettino person on your Muye Jumano, he could only become maybe a backup option for Pochettino due to the players at Chelsea, which is some Babisi Akandia Momo. It is one of the Obepimo Manchester United, Obejin not more than £200,000 a week. Obe signing 5 years contract in the Dema Manchester United and the whole home. Acha, by next 2 weeks, there's going to be clarity over the deal between Manchester United and Messi. But as it stands, Manchester United and Chelsea deal no. Why do you all say about 55 million pounds? I forget. That is what they are discussing about. I drew a trade and said you city win and you know. Or my drew a trade pa. Make my catch say 70% between these particular two sides in discussing Messi Mount so Babisi Akan and the Manchester United next season. Adrian Rabiot on a free. Or my many Manchester United didn't come up.
Oh, okay.
Or mu didn't come out cheaper. £200,000 a week. Or beso be remno or besi Akan Manchester United. The only obstacle a wom kakrano. Sana come many person bet my money 250,000 at Manchester for Debbie. Yeah, yes, have mistakes where them. You be a musanko found my issue between. It's that is why I start to wait there in terms of success rate as it stands there. It's now 50 to 55% because of the wages issue. No, but boy, Nankasa the England or bad. Or maybe see and we believe it's Manchester United going into the Champions League next season. A better catapult at their man in terms of other contracts.
Next season, United midfielders and will be few more.
Yes, as it stands, the Manchester United, Everton Fred.
Oh, okay.
Fulham, the Manchester United, they didn't come about Fred.
Okay.
Silva is so much inclined with signing Fred for a Fulham. So, Babi see a kind of momo and another hole. Then you look at Eriksen. They want to provide Obi Mama Eriksen competition. You need a squad depth. It may Mount to Bebe Mukakra. Okay, about 3-man midfield. Yeah, an extra midfield that BM the number count. That is where Adrian Rabiot proves to be a crucial point. Despite Scott McTominay. McTominay so Newcastle has shown massive interest in signing him. So Munyana kebeti mi abo mama nyoma koye. Ede amo 18 FM Newcastle. So me to me say Rabiot gives you that particular needed bench now here as a depth. What's the most of the teams not winning games now? Almost strong 11, at least 5 backup players or more top there. Who be film Canada Beshima, they can give you the results that you need. Now, Abu Dhabi, a branch about into context, Lavia, Manchester Henry. There have not been any official communique between the camp of Lavia and the Manchester United. Into what to say, Manchester need do it Abu Dhabi and Tessa. Then Declan Rice, Ahana Sem no one. Abu Dhabi, Omaka said Arsenal na agree, Omaka said Bayern Munich na agree. There is nothing of such thing between any club and Declan Rice.
Bibia
Sensi. Arsenal shown the intention, Arsenal shown the interest, but there has not been any formalities between Arsenal company team friend West Ham and Declan Rice. And our papa handles and your man cry one but no muna kasano cry attention now will find an on so. And he wants to finish the final first before making a decision. And baby Arsenal they more prepare about 70 million pounds or so more the beko. But West Ham baby omujani so more per 100 million pounds. And outside the player this Kasubo Mede, on the player no say player open at the neighbor. A player moon any jung so bit my fan on more than a day. And but Thomas to share the shirt now pushy by me so here Branty we. But Kabamene can answer the commune here. Declan Rice give but Thomas to share no feels that Oberemno on the Kimmich ball as the double pivot now. Every man the team now too stabilized. Or Jitu me say Leon Goretzka can prove to be another player for squad depth no bet me Abamani or Marcoso. But Adia Declan Rice Manchester United Bamuni. Manchester United medical kasa omu here 1 goalkeeper, 1 centre back. 2 midfielders and then 2 key strikers are on betima boy anymore dia momo already no money Hotland di komo Hotland You want to say Achakra and next 2 weeks Abu Dhabi personal terms wouldn't be an issue between Manchester United and Holland. Manchester prepare a bid of £40 million at the Akomeah. I'm more prepare £40 million the Akomeah. It's kind of go actually for Hurricane.
Oh, okay.
Manchester person almost sign Holland. No more so far Hurricane than the other day. At an account. The first word from Tottenham Hotspur here said, "Young Tom Hurricane fan Manchester United." And a Manchester response in this year say, "Any boy need dinkomo or kokome dinkomo echi. The boy need your bed obe free ho." It's Manchester will test the waters with their first bid. Don't be surprised that next week and the next 2 weeks, what is a Manchester United debate? I could pay more Tottenham Hotspur so more pay brand here friend Hurricane. Maybe omuna isi ni say Tottenham Hotspur so in your Harry Maguire mo pen we echi ho. Then omunya Dean Henderson na Nottingham Forest professor almost sign no aka ke to ebru akosa am omo no omunya no so omo pe to come and replace Hugo Lloris. It's Abu Dhabi Manchester for ko no omunya Holland no omunya Hurricane near the tabo to Hurricane so assess can e watch ni na no mo de to Hurricane so abu omu dis can be call West Ham akwakofa Declan Rice. It's Manchester United is not buying Hurricane and Declan Rice. You fancy a trim. It's either one of them. And about PM Manchester United. And the whole and Manchester United and Yabre. I said, oh dear, or more explore keke. So make my Holland there, they will bid £40 million and make sure say they take him. Manuel Ugarte, Chelsea says something they say they are over because we're joining Air Paris Saint-Germain. I said on a Chelsea and Yabre one so bet my fan. Omako Brighton, Omako Boprin, Brighton for some Mokramu hard do. Modi can buy Yamamu coach, mobile pay near the Mamu, Mubane pay near the Mamu. Where the £80 million Muoscar, Monfameje. Boy, no so much Chelsea are so say ordering one options because Brighton and Hove Albion are qualified for Europe. Chelsea is also qualified for Europe. It was so money mre. No nwe kakra. No hunu ko befa so betime decide. So ba be see akadema Chelsea. Ba be a Chelsea pool no work here. Eh Brighton fell Lavia. Chelsea penny ba kwa about recruitment team for Joe Schultz. And I'm the so and Brighton we buy be PM Man City ko fa Tottenham Southampton nyina ekosi akan. Ono ene share chire say Chelsea enya Ugarte dia Abu Dhabi omoji 2 million so mo de Lavia ne ba nyoma betimi akoye ama matima for mo tuma pa de fra so Lavia to Chelsea ne de Joe Schultz and pushing this particular player towards Chelsea metima say but coach Efren Mauricio Pochettino have a different idea towards signing Lavia and making so betima ba Inigo Martinez has been official. Yes, Abu. Then you look at Messi there no Barcelona sika semno Abu Dhabi. So a Barcelona fan and there was a meeting between Joe Messi and Laporta. Amutina si di nkomo. But there was no offer on the table say Barcelona ye pese ye ma Messi say afe. Man te pese oji say bonus is say near they canon. There was nothing like that. Na ni nyina confirm na na say Barcelona ye bie kwan wo so metima asane de but oma ho de ni duru say ba bia issue ni gina no and Messi akọ as far as metima ka say 75 to 80% with Al Hilal in Saudi Arabia in terms of negotiations. So the chance say Obesa returning to Barcelona no very low.
Emfa.
Very low. And Xavi so the priority. But I believe say scan or more for Barcelona. Lionel Messi is not ready to play for free. And he more for free even in the Spanish La Liga. Fashion trim.
Yeah.
I am right. Your mobile say will be both for free. It doesn't work. So you need to pay. Barcelona problem ni na the amount of money or mudi betria. Messi soon say Al Hilal for the so money obu project no more. They can't stay and wait for long. It may be a dinner there. Messi na nkasa na 85% towards Saudi Arabia. And Barcelona na there. And only jina be 15%.